Writing text aligned to a geometry. So here I have an arc, and I want to put some text so that it lines up with the arc. So it's on a curve with the arc, and it's associated with that geometry. To do that, we're going to go up here into my Sketch tab, go into the Create panel. In the Create panel, we're going to come down, and underneath the text, we're going to go to Geometry Text. It'll ask us to select the geometry to align the text. I pick on the arc. Then it'll create a geometry text dialog box. I pick the direction. If I want to go from left to right, or clockwise or counterclockwise type thing, and I'm going to type in my text. Okay, and I want it to be above the object or outside or inside of it. I want to start from the left, or do I want it center justified, or do I want it right justified? I have a start angle. Where does the angle, as far as an angle on the polar, where does it start? I have an offset. How far away from the line do I want it? So in here I'll put it just a short amount away. And whether I want it stretched or compressed, and I'll leave that. And so in my size of text and my font. And so at this point I can zoom in as well. So hard to see. I can go like that and say OK, and boom, it pops it in on that text, running along with it. And so if I pick on it, I can change this and say, oh, what happens if I put it underneath on the inside? I'll say OK, and boom, it flipped it around. All right, so I can pick on it again, and I'll say no, I really want it on the outside. And you know, and if I do the stretch, I can say I want it to be 80%. I'll say OK. It now goes back and it shortens it up a little bit. And if I double click on it again, say no, let's go to 120%. I can say enter, and it stretches it out more. So writing text aligned to a geometry, we just need to pick the geometry, and we go up here and use geometry text for that task.